Hey, my name is Ashlyn and I'm the founder and CEO of Because. I am so excited that you decided to check out this video. I promise I will keep it quick just to give you a little bit of an overview of how Because works. So Because is a no-code solution built on top of Shopify and your entire tech stack across platforms like Klaviyo, Recharge, Stay, Skio, Octane, Digio, Loyalty Line, Yotpo, all of the above, to bring all those data sources together into a website personalization platform that does not require your developer. The goal is to actually personalize your website experience using the data you already have about your customers in your tech stack that's currently not being used for your website. The ultimate goal is to increase conversion. We have a whole bunch of A/B testing functionality to allow you to test your impact on conversion from making changes across your site. But you can also test secondary metrics on things like add to cart rate, AOV, revenue, clicks, all of the above. We work with a ton of different Shopify brands across a lot of different verticals. Brands like Hello Kitty, which is obviously globally known, obviously the infamous Tom Brady. We work across a broad range of categories: apparel and fashion, beauty and cosmetics, home goods, health and wellness, CPG, all of the above. We support the entire on-site journey: product page, collection page, cart, and homepage. We support a broad range of text and image-based content. I'd love to use the example of, like, if you and your friend are both watching Netflix on separate Netflix accounts, you're both getting suggested Bridgerton because that's like the best show of 2024. You're probably both going to see a different image and maybe even different messaging to try to get you to click into that show. That's basically what we do across e-commerce websites. So we help to adapt all of the text and all of the imagery throughout the website in places that are kind of already on your site today, but that are currently static. I like to use the example of a top bar. Literally every e-commerce website has a top bar above the navigation. It talks about free shipping, maybe the promo of the week or the month that you're doing. It's probably something that you're updating manually in your Shopify theme, and it is not dynamic at all. What we do is we take over parts of your site like that are currently static. You use Because instead in a completely no-code editor experience to deploy these types of experiences on your site instead in a much more dynamic way. So now that top bar might have 6 or even 12 different versions based off of the stage of the customer lifecycle. That gets me into the third type, which is our data types. So we support a ton of different data flowing in through your entire tech stack. We have a direct integration to Klaviyo, your cart data, your UTM data from what ad sources your site visitors are arriving from, and all of your product data. So all of that is integrated inside of our rules engine. Again, no code, do not need to get a developer involved. And you can use all of that to actually create content on site.